What is up, my Winjas? Okay, so I got a message from one of you guys asking me, can I just flow without hitting shelves and talking? So I can't guarantee the shelves in that room, so I'm out here on my favorite little grassy patch, and I'm gonna show you how I flow. When I do animal flow, I can come in with a plan where I write out my movements, or I just freestyle it. So I go into a free flow, which is what I'm gonna do today, and just listen to my body and just try to move as fluidly through the movements as I can. That's exhausting. I can feel. Look at me. So basically, I went with the flow, and as I start to deteriorate my form and my movements, or when my breaths get like this, that's when I stop. So I love it because there's just no rule, and when you can learn the transitions, which I've taught you. Okay, I'm gonna need a moment. These kids are like, what's happening to her? So that was just a quick little example of how when you learn all the little pieces and the transitions to get in and out of them, how you can put it all together. So comment and let me know, have you tried creating your own flow based on what you've learned already? And remember, it's a constant daily practice. And even with some of those movements, I can already tell that I could use more work. But that's just the magic of this. It's like, just don't judge yourself. Go in and just enjoy the way you move. And catch your breath. So leave me a comment, guys. I love hearing from you. And until next time, Winjas. See you guys later.